Remember that trusty box of borax Grandma always had? Long before the cleaning aisle was filled with expensive neon-colored chemicals, there was this humble white powder. Today, we're reviving 25 brilliant borax hacks that prove Grandma's wisdom is still the ultimate home run for your modern home, saving you hundreds of dollars in the process. Laundry power-ups. Hack number 1. The ultimate laundry booster. Dissolve half a cup in hot water and pour it into your wash. Use the pre-wash dispenser for a front-loading machine, or pour right into the drum of a top-loading machine. Borax softens hard water and helps your detergent work 10 times harder. Number 2. The 12-cent stain remover. It converts water molecules into hydrogen peroxide. It kills grass and grease stains for pennies, compared to $15 spray bottles. Number 3. De-stinking gym gear. Soak synthetic workout clothes in warm water and borax for 30 minutes. It destroys the biofilm that traps sweat odors. Number 4. Yellowed pillow rescue. Don't toss those yellow pillows. A borax soak converts body oils into water-soluble compounds, restoring linens to bright white. Number 5. Hard water neutralizer. It maintains a perfect pH of 9.3, preventing minerals from grayishing your whites. Kitchen and dish hacks. Number 6. The all-purpose spray. Mix 2 tablespoons borax with hot water and a squirt of dish soap. It's a natural disinfectant, safe for granite and marble. Number 7. Pot and pan scrubber. Make a paste for baked-on grease. It's softer than stainless steel, so it cleans without scratching. Number 8. Reusable bag sanitizer. Soak reusable grocery bags to kill bacteria from leaked meat or produce. Number 9. Drain deodorizer. Pour half a cup of borax down the sink, followed by boiling water. It turns grease into soap, literally, through a process called saponification. Number 10. Sink brightener. Use it as a mild abrasive to lift coffee and rust stains from porcelain or stainless steel. Deep bathroom cleaning. Number 11. The overnight toilet miracle. Sprinkle 1/4 cup in the bowl before bed. By morning, the ring is gone. No scrubbing required. Number 12. Grout restorer. Mix borax and water into a thick paste. Let it sit on those dark tile lines to eat through mold and soap scum. Number 13. Mildew shield. Wipe down shower curtains with a borax solution. It leaves a microscopic residue that prevents mold from returning. Number 14. Mop head revival. Soak your mop in hot borax water to dissolve floor wax and kill that sour mop smell. Odors and deodorizing. Number 15. Trash can rinse. Wash bins with borax to kill the bacteria that causes garbage juice smell. Number 16. Carpet freshener. Mix with baking soda, sprinkle, let sit, and vacuum. It pulls odors out rather than masking them. Number 17. It acts as a natural dehumidifier and odor eater. Pests and specialty care. Number 20. Natural pest barrier. A thin line behind appliances stops ants and roaches by disrupting their exoskeletons. Keep away from pets. Number 21. Outdoor furniture. Refresh. Use it on patio sets to kill algae and mildew without killing your grass. Number 22. Cooler sanitizer. Clean the inside of seasonal coolers to remove that closed-up, musty smell. Number 23. Baby clothes. Pre-soak. It's gentle enough for sensitive skin, but tough enough to dissolve baby formula and organic stains. Number 24. Adhesive remover. A borax and water paste can help lift sticky label residue. Number 25. Flower preservative. Bonus. Mix borax with cornmeal to dry out and preserve fresh flowers perfectly. Grandma knew that you didn't need a different chemical for every room in the house. You just needed one powerful mineral. At about 12 cents per use, borax is the ultimate throwback that's better for your wallet and your home. Click here to learn more about cleaning with borax, https://www.chetschool.com. The Big Sweep 7698/25 Borax Cleaning Hacks that will blow your mind and make life easier. Don't forget to subscribe for more old-school wisdom and modern home hacks.